Welcome to Politi Edu Insight. What if a night of reckless abandon ended in tragedy and a nationwide outcry? Such is the tale of the Pune Porsche Crash, a harrowing event that shook India in May of 2024. A wealthy businessman's 17-year-old son, intoxicated and without a license, took his father's Porsche for a spin, resulting in a fatal accident. Two 24-year-old software engineers lost their lives that fateful night. This incident first came to light when the teen, due to his minor status, was granted lenient bail terms. However, the public's outrage led to a reversal of this decision, landing the teenager in juvenile detention. The police are now considering trying him as an adult. The twist in this tale: the father and bar owners were also arrested in the aftermath. The father, arrested 24 hours after the incident, was charged with cheating under Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code and sent to jail. His term ends on June 7th, 2 days after the end of his son's remand period. Meanwhile, the Juvenile Justice Board, succumbing to public outrage, changed the son's bail terms, requiring him to write a 300-word essay on road safety and sending him to a remand home until June 5th. The father, uncooperative in the investigation, is suspected of tampering with evidence. The police need to question him about visitor logs from his house and the potential destruction of CCTV footage. His original mobile phone, left behind during his attempted escape, is now in police custody and will be examined by an expert. One of the key questions the police seek to answer is about the 48,000 rupees the son and his friends allegedly spent at the cozy bar hours before the incident. The bill details have not been provided by the establishment yet. The father's lawyer argues that the police lack proof of the father's prior knowledge of his son's activities or intentions, which is a critical link. Meanwhile, the father, a prominent city builder, had been charged with willful neglect of his son under Section 75 of the Juvenile Justice, which carries a maximum jail term of 3 years and a fine of 1 lakh rupees. In addition to these charges, the father was charged with cheating relating to an unpaid amount of 1,758 rupees for the Porsche's registration. The vehicle, bought under the name of Brahma Ledgers, was never registered. The teen, meanwhile, faces a drunk driving charge that, for a first-time offender, allows a 6-month jail term and a fine of 10,000 rupees. He could face the much sterner charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, should the juvenile board allow the legal system to try him as an adult. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of reckless behavior and the importance of responsibility, not only for oneself, but also for the ones we are entrusted to guide and protect. It is a tale of tragedy, justice, and a society's demand for accountability. Please like, share, and subscribe to Politi Edu Insight.